in the vast landscape of the mining site. Every path and surface plays a vital role in supporting heavy equipment operations. Here, the Komatsu D85E Bulldozer begins its task, carefully leveling the road leading to the overburden disposal area. With each steady movement of its blade, the operator ensures the whole road remains smooth, stable, and safe for continuous hauling activity. Well-maintained roads are essential for efficiency and safety, allowing dump trucks to transport material smoothly, even across rough terrain and under challenging weather conditions. After completing the haul road work, the same Komatsu D85E moves to another crucial area, the stockpile. With precision and power, the bulldozer levels and compacts the surface, ensuring optimal conditions for coal storage and loading operations. Both tasks, road maintenance and stockpile leveling, form the foundation of daily mining activities. Together, they keep the operation running efficiently, safely, and sustainably across the entire site.